Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello viewer, KGero. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. What do we have here? Today I'll be working on this 2019 Hyundai Sonata. It's a 2.4 liter. I'm going to bring you guys along and show you exactly what's going on first. We just have to thank God for another day, allowing us the privilege to see another day. It's not a right, it's a privilege that you are alive. So give thanks to God every day. So having said that, KG, you know my slogan, let's go. Let's get it right. So this vehicle, the owner went for oil change. After changing the oil, so a couple of days later, there is a leakage in his driveway. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what is happening here. So I just wiped out the oil. So I was thinking it was coming down from right here, but apparently it's not there. So if you look closely, like once I wipe it off, you look closely. Let me bring this guy up here. Okay, once I wipe it off, if you look closely right here, you will see right here. Just watch, see it? So I was thinking it was coming from here, but apparently it's not coming from here. It's coming from the pan himself. Okay, see? So I don't know what happened, if the pan is kind of messed up here. See? Every time I wipe it off, it comes out from here. See right there, it's just bleeding. Right there. Wipe it off again. See, watch it. Right there. See? It's just bleeding from there. So we have to replace this oil pan. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So what it's gonna take to do this job, we gotta take off this guy right here. And this thing is tight to this. Gotta lose this, you know. Anyway, that's what we're gonna be doing, KG. We'll be right. So I took off the cover so we cannot see the whole thing. So I have to lose this bolt right here, this bolt and this bolt, so we can be able to drop this bracket. It's this bracket right here. So we'll drop this bracket right here. So we're gonna drain the oil as well. So we'll lose this bolt right here. This one right here. Take out this 12 bolt. The reason for that is because of this guy. We're dropping this guy right here. So we're gonna lose this bolt right here. From here, so we can drop this bracket. Okay, so this is the bracket that I took out of there. See, once you lose this two, there's a 4 bolt there, then this guy comes out. So now we cannot see all the bolts. There's a 2 different bolts here. I see this bigger one, it's like a 12. It has a special socket for these. You see there, the teeth. So we're gonna undo all of that, undo this, and before then, let me go ahead and drain the oil. Right there. So we're going ahead to undo all this bolt now. There are 10 bolts. So I'm going to take off this too. So let me go ahead now. Because the other thing we have to worry about after we take off this thing uses glue. So sometimes they kind of tend to be very, very tight there to pull it out. So these 2 bolts here that is here, right? See the way they look? You have to use a special tools for it. So I'm lucky to have this. So very easily. This is a 12, so it fits perfectly there. See? So if you don't have the right tools for that, you might run into a problem there. Sorry about the shaking camera. What's that? Yeah. See, that's the way the boat look. They are long. Just remember, so it's a very long boat. Wow. Very long boat. The other one, they were all short boat. Oh, there's two right here. There's one. So another one, they can't miss it. Yeah. Very long boat. So don't try to use ordinary tools there. I will explain more. See the way it looks. Alright, that's it. So everything is out now. We should be able to take out this. Alright, see? Here's a screwdriver. Kick it in there. So start to young this thing. Here we go. Once you pull it on one side, you should be able to get it out. There's still some oil in here. Come on. So, I'm going to pull it on the other side there. So let me pull the other side and bring it down. So it's out. So I get a little scratch here. Make sure I put some glue in there. Glue there. So I'm gonna go ahead, scrape up all these guys, and then bring it along and show you the new one. KG. Alright, so that's the new oil pan right there. As a pass number, X as in Sam, K for King, 264359. So we're gonna be using this to the seal because it doesn't use a gasket, so this is what it's like. That's the old one. Let me bring up the old one. I matched it up already. And the same thing. See, there's the old one. So see, you have the glue. So when you're pulling it, you have to use like a. But everything went beautiful. Taking it out. So I'm gonna clean up the bottom. Once I finish cleaning up the bottom, then we'll put the gasket on the time. We're ready to do this. KG. Right, so if you look down here, I already rubbed the gasket on it already. So now I'm gonna bring you guys in here too. I did the same thing here just to be on the safe side. You know, because this is something you don't want to do twice. So I'm just going to come in now, put a pan, and start running things down. Okay. So the plate is back in. I have that job to get to, so I didn't get to video this. You know, everything looks good. It's just this bracket you have to take off. So now I have to put this AC board back in here. Right here. This guy right here. Put that guy back there. This guy that right there. Let's see. There's another one right here. See that two boats there? Yeah, there's two boats. This guy got everything else looks good. Just gonna put oil. Let me tie that and wrap up. So I just started the car. Everything seems to be okay so far. Let's go lay idle. 30 minutes before we come. So about 25 minutes later, everything looks good. I'm going to go and put the car out here now and call it. Alright, we're back. So these all for this vehicle right here, the 2019 Hyundai Sonata, 2.4 liter. Just replace the oil pan. Everything looks good. Please consider subscribing and support your boy in any way you can. Love you, Brooklyn. Shout out. See you next time on my next episode. We are gone.